Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something that some people have been mentioning in the past few days, more and more actually in the past few days and past week even, more and more people have noticed that and are commenting that on Firefox they're having a slow YouTube, that their YouTube doesn't seem to perform as well as on other browsers. And actually, some tests have been done by some that seem to say that what happens is that you've got if you try Google Chrome, you'll see that there's a certain speed for the videos to show up, and if you are using Firefox, well, it actually is slower. Now, I've been playing with my Firefox since I've read it because I wanted to see, okay, how slow is it or not. Honestly, I don't see any sluggishness or any slowdowns, so I'm not sure if it could be partly due to something else. But one thing is for sure is that there's enough people complaining about it that there must be something happening. And it seems to be on Firefox side of things. So if you do have a slow YouTube performance, if you find that YouTube isn't great on your PC, well, maybe it is the case. Maybe something isn't right. So this is going to be something to look at, definitely, for the Firefox browser. So if you use Firefox and, of course, look at YouTube videos, have you seen a slowdown? Have you noticed that other browsers seems to be faster with YouTube? Like I said, in my case, I don't seem to see anything, but then again, I don't use it as my main browser and YouTube, so maybe I just ain't using it enough. But there's enough comments and complaints out there that something probably is happening for some. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.